Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Not too much happened today price-wise. In pretty much the analysis has been very consistent and the price has just so far followed the parameters of our wave count on the larger degree as well as on the smaller degree. So what did we talk about? We talked about a low could be in here locally and that a break above 1992 would send us likely to the upper boundary line of the trend channel. It did that yesterday. I shared with you that a wave 2 pullback could and should unfold from here, either wave 2 or the B wave pullback. We're basically there now. So there was no reason to panic. This was simply a pullback that was quite sharp here. Yeah, possibly related a little bit to the news we had. Quite a turbulent day. You see that roller coaster here in the price, but actually overall not much happened. Nevertheless, we had quite some news. Follow our Twitter if you want to stay up to date all the time. But yeah, you know, it's just done what it was supposed to be doing. And now we are still in the larger support area, so nothing has changed in terms of, okay, a wave 5 can still happen, this extension higher. Even if we now break below micro support, and even if the price should break below 1943, that will likely lead to invalidation of the micro pattern here and the idea that wave 5 could have started. But it wouldn't change at all the idea that this could just simply be a wave 4 that might simply extend a little longer. Below 1943, below that micro support, the support at 1909 will become relevant again. And below that level, we've got 1839. Only below 1839, I have to take, or I have to make the assumption and follow the assumption primarily that we are in a larger degree wave 2 correction instead of a wave 4. At the moment, the assumption is wave 3 finished here in November. And, well, it's still November, on the 10th of November, and that we're now coming down in wave 4 with a wave 5 to come, which could unfold as an ending diagonal pattern. And there are different ways of counting it. So either it's just an ABC structure here that's unfolding, or we get 5 waves up. But only as long as we're holding 1943, I would see that as likely scenario, really. Or we counted that wave 5 is already complete, even though that's not my preferred scenario. That means we are in a larger ABC structure, okay? And if that's the case, then we might see a stronger sell-off soon. And that means that this move down was likely just an A wave, B wave rally, okay, and we're coming down in wave C. That wouldn't be bearish, but it would mean a more significant pullback within a larger uptrend and possibly within a bullish environment. But it just means that this wave 2 pullback would then start a little sooner than you could say anticipated, but really it's already one of the likely possibilities. So it's something we have to prepare for. However, at the moment, micro support is holding, and the idea is that wave 5 could have started already here, yeah. But it needs to prove that to us now. It needs to break above the upper boundary line of the trend channel, take out this wave 1 high at 2070 to then move towards 2200, 2300. Looking at the daily time frame, so we've got ETH on the daily. ETH on the daily. The situation here is just what I just described. 1 second, let me just. So that this is likely a wave 1 that's currently unfolding. It might get another extension in the 5th wave of the wave 1, but it might already be finished. I mean, this is the daily time frame. So fluctuations on the 1 hour time frames, 30-minute time frames shouldn't really matter here. So bigger picture suggests that, yeah, we might get another extension, you know, but really a wave 2 pullback is due at some point. And when we talk about it on the daily time frame, I can actually add here a support area on the daily time frame, and it should send us down into this area here. Doesn't mean we have to go down all the way to the low, but sort of key support will be 1637, 1636. So if we get a break below 1636, I have to make the assumption that something more bearish is playing out, yeah. But if you look at this entire structure here, you can count it as 5 waves up, but one more high would be ideal, right? Before we come down in this wave 2 pullback zone. Might as well add the 38.2 fib level here Sometimes this is relevant as well if it's a very, very shallow pullback. But that's at 1877, so really very, very shallow. But yeah, that's my update about Ether. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.